Is your Shopify domain not connecting or showing errors? Let's fix that fast. Here's how to solve domain issues in under 1 minute. First, go to your Shopify admin and then click on Settings on the bottom right. Now in Settings, click on Domains. If you see a red warning like Not Connected or SSL Pending, click Connect Existing Domain. Make sure your record points to Shopify IP 23.227.38.65 and your CNAME points to shops.myshopify.com. You can edit these in your domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. After updating, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. It can take a few minutes to update. Be patient. If SSL is stuck on pending, turn off SSL, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the certificate. Once connected, your store should show secure and your domain will go live. Problem solved. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more tutorials like this one.